Yeah, don't throw Dutcher. Snow at Dutcher. Oh, Dutcher fell. Oh, no. You okay, buddy? Hi, honey.
Hi.
Videotaping.
Happy snow
The
day.
aftermath. Sammy! Sammy loves it. You gonna make it, Dutcher? Good job. We haven't even had breakfast yet. It's cold out. These guys wanted to come help me feed the horsies. We'll go say hi to Miss Ellie and Mr. Vic. I'm gonna go take a quick picture of Miss Ellie and Mr. Vic. I don't drop the camera in the snowbank. Hi, guys. Brr. Good morning, Miss Ellie. How are ya? Uh-oh. Hi, Mr. Vic. Just clean the snowballs off their feet. Hi, Mr. Vic. Hi, buddy. They cleared the doorway. It was like a couple feet of snow. What's going on?
Lick your face, Dutcher.
Dutcher, your snout's gonna freeze. Oh, are you cold, buddy? Okay. You wanna go in?